Let's go over how to promote your services and get booked. Before you promote your services, you want to make sure that your profile is optimized. So go ahead and watch our previous video on how to optimize your profile, making sure you have a professional photo or a brand image, a clear, engaging bio, and you have your services with attractive titles, visuals, and pricing. When you're ready to promote your Bookme link, you can come over here to share and promote, and you can copy this link here and add it to anywhere you would like. You can add it to your Instagram bio, Facebook page, LinkedIn profile. You can include it in your email signature. You have the option to share it in DMs or text conversations when people ask you how to book your services. And you can even print QR codes and display them where your clients are. We also have the built-in option to share this directly on your social media. So if you select share on Instagram, you can share it directly to Instagram. Same thing here with TikTok. You can share via WhatsApp. And we also generate a QR code for you. So you can directly download this and let your clients scan and book with you instantly. Some best practices for promoting on social media is to add the link to your social profile, promote your Bookme link in your posts and stories, and say, check out my link in bio with this link here. You can also post countdowns to last slots available and use clear call to actions like ready to book, tap the link in bio. And that's how to promote your services with Bookme.